If you create your channel the wrong way in 2026, you could literally slow down your growth before you even upload your first video. Most beginners skip tiny settings, and those tiny settings cost views, subscribers, and even money. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your YouTube channel the right way. And trust me, step number 4, that's when 90% of beginners fail. So stay tuned, because missing it could kill your growth before it even starts. Let's start by creating the channel. So I will be putting some sites here or here. For you to create your YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is for you to go to youtube.com. When you are youtube.com, click your profile picture at the top right side of the screen. Then click on create channel. Here is one of the biggest secrets. Don't just use your personal name. Ask yourself, is this a personal brand like me, or a niche channel like gaming, tech, or cooking? Why does this matter? Because changing your name later can confuse YouTube algorithm. If YouTube doesn't know what your channel is about, it won't know who to show your videos to. But here is the Kickstarter. Most beginners get this part right, but fail in the next step. And that is where growth really slows, which is your channel customization. Now let's make your channel look professional. Go to YouTube Studio if you're using your laptop, but if you are not using your laptop, you're using your phone, click on studio.youtube.com and it will take you directly to your YouTube dashboard. And then after that, click on your customization. And here is what to focus on. Upload your profile picture. Let your profile picture be professional, because people can use your profile picture to recognize you, and it should be clear so that the viewers can be able to recognize you even on small screen. Secondly is for you to upload your banner. Let your banner be simple, clear, and it should be relatable to your niche. Now you come and write your channel description. This is where you tell YouTube what your channel is about. You should make sure you write your keywords with basically the main keywords of your niche. Use it to write your description. If you're into YouTube growth, tell YouTube that this channel is about YouTube growth and it helps small creators to grow fast on YouTube. What they will learn on your channel, is it SEO optimization? Is it content planning? Is it the pillars of content? Is it, yes, all those things, put them on the description. YouTube will know the people to send your content to. Don't be mysterious. Let your description carry clarity, because clarity makes YouTube to understand your content. Because the clearer your description, the faster YouTube can recommend your videos to the right audience. But we haven't even touched the hidden growth setting yet, the one most beginners completely ignore, which is your back-end settings most people ignore. This is where 80% of beginners skip, and it hurts growth without them even knowing. Go on settings, click on channel, then click on basic info. There you can add your keywords, but don't write crazy or random 50. You can put relevant ones like 6 or 10. Relevant. If I say relevant, something related to your niche. Don't just go and carry much of it, a bunch of it, because you want to fill the space. No. Because this is like telling YouTube what exactly your channel is about, so the algorithm can recommend. Stay on settings, go on upload default. This is a game changer. Here, don't go and write a description of a particular video. You can put your affiliate link there. Put, maybe you want people to you offer a service out of YouTube, you can put the link there. Maybe your WhatsApp community, maybe your Telegram community, you can put them there, so that they will constantly upload on each and every one of your video as default, because anytime you upload, it will save time for you to go and copy your affiliate links. Maybe you're doing affiliate marketing, you will not go back and be finding the links to bring them on the description. It will just come as a default. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this time, don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can push this video to more creators like us. Finally, the step that can literally stop you from making money, many people, many creators skipped, which is verification. For creator just starting your channel, it is necessary and it is vital for you to verify your channel. If you verify your channel, you're giving YouTube a trust that this channel is not a robot. It is a human managing this channel. Because you verify your channel, you have to provide a phone number where YouTube is going to send a verification code on it. You get? As I earlier said, step 4 is simple but crucial. Verify your channel. If you don't want to be scammed, verify your channel. And it is also necessary because if you don't verify your channel, you have some features that will be limited that you cannot use. One of them is you cannot use custom thumbnail. If your channel is not verified, you cannot put a thumbnail on your video. If your channel is not verified, you cannot upload up to 15-minute video. You know that for you to have your 4,000 watch hour fast on YouTube, you have to start uploading videos that have such large length, like 15 minutes, from 8 minutes upward. So if you don't verify your channel, you are limited to less than 15 minutes. You cannot upload 15 minutes and above. You get? So it is necessary for you to verify your channel. If you want to know how to get your 4,000 watch hour fast, you can watch this video. On this video, I detailedly explain how to get your 4,000 watch hour, since that is the most crucial thing on YouTube right now, because getting your 1,000 subscriber is as easy. You can watch this video to get your 1,000 subscriber as easy as it is. And here is the truth. Without thumbnail, you can't get clicks. And without clicks, growth stop. So even if it feels like a small thing, it makes a huge difference in 2026. If you're starting a channel in 2026, start correctly. Growth on YouTube is not luck. It's structure, consistency, and smart settings. Here is what I want you to do next. Go set your channel the right way today. Comment below with your channel niche. I want to see what you're building. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video that is coming up. Trust me, you don't want to miss. On this channel, we teach you how to grow faster on YouTube and smarter.